The Goodbye That Never Came, Crescent Moon Prologue. If you're listening to this, there's a chance you've been left without an explanation, not abandoned loudly, not with a fight, not with a final argument, just gone. Tonight I want to talk about the kind of goodbye that never arrives, the kind that leaves you standing in the doorway of a memory, waiting for footsteps that never come back. Act I, the day before nothing happened. The strange thing is, there was no warning. The day before they disappeared looked exactly like all the others. We talked about small things, the weather, something we might do someday. I remember thinking how ordinary it all felt, and that's what hurts the most. When nothing feels wrong, you don't prepare for loss, you don't take mental photographs, you don't memorize the sound of their voice. You assume there will be another conversation, another chance. Act 2, the first realization. Start small, a message that doesn't arrive, a call that goes unanswered. At first you tell yourself stories. They're busy, they need space, they'll reply later. Hope is very creative when it wants to survive. And then there's a moment, quiet, unannounced, when you realize you're the only one still holding the thread. Act 3, searching for a reason. You replay everything, every word, every pause, every tone you might have missed. Did I say something wrong? Did I ask for too much? Did I not ask enough? You search for a reason, because the truth feels unbearable. That sometimes people leave, not because of what you did, but because of what they can't face. And that answer gives you no place to put your pain. Act 4, the empty space they left behind. Absence has a sound. It sounds like silence, where voice used to be. It shows up at the same hours you used to talk. Your body remembers before your mind lets go. You reach for your phone without thinking, and then you remember there's no one there anymore. Act V, the question with no answer. What hurts most is not knowing why, because without a reason, there's no ending, just an open door that never closes. And yet, life keeps moving. You laugh again, you sleep again, you function, but a part of you still listens for a sound that will never come. Act 6, the truth you learn too late. Here is the hardest truth. Learn slowly. Closure is not something someone gives you, it's something you decide to stop waiting for. You don't need their explanation to move forward. You don't need their apology to heal. Sometimes, the kindest thing you can do is let the silence be the answer. Act 7. Speaking to the one who left. There are things I never got to say, so tonight, I say them into the quiet. I would have stayed, I would have listened, and I forgive you for leaving without goodbye. Not because it didn't hurt, but because I don't want to carry your silence anymore. Crescent Moon Epilogue. For you, if someone vanished from your life without explanation, let me tell you something gently. Their leaving does not define your worth. Your capacity to love was never the problem. You are allowed to grieve what never had a proper ending, and you are allowed to keep living anyway. I'm glad you're here, Good night.